What's up, guys? Dirty Diesel here. Some of you guys wanted a sound test of the stack, so I'm doing it for you. I'm also going to give you an underhood sound so you can hear my engine. And as others stated in my other video, I'm going to try to be quiet because you guys said, how can I hear anything with you talking? So here's under the hood. So now I'm going to give you a little sound test of, let's see, I'll get the stack here, try and hold this up here while I give it some gas. As you can hear, it gets nice and loud, sounds pretty good, and you can hear the turbo spooling down. I really enjoy it. It's one of my favorite upgrades, I don't care what anyone says. So, Dirty Diesel out, guys.